Hello all, Wave Rider here with another review from the Killer Value Assortment Pack from World Class Fireworks. This time we have these firecrackers. It's from Cutting Edge, Maximum Charge, Maximum Load. That's what it says. That's all it says. Nothing special with the package. Typical fireworks packaging. Cutting Edge. A little bit of that. And typical warning. Explosive. Anyway, yeah. Let's go outside and try these out. All right, we're in the side of the house right now. We're gonna go fire off these firecrackers. I opened them up. They are the old school red firecrackers that I remembered as a kid. Anyways, let's give this a try. All right, lay this here. Here's the... Hold on 1 second here. I got an extra firecracker here that I could use. There, that should do it. All right, let's go light this baby up. All right, here we go. Oh, wow, that was quick. I like that. I like a fast lighting firecracker, unlike the black cats I had a few weeks ago. But anyways, yeah, that was pretty cool. I would definitely buy Cutting Edge firecrackers again. Anyway, you guys have a great day.